Well, that floor is total suspect. Wow. Welcome, my friends. Welcome to another aimless adventure. Coming to you from an abandoned train graveyard. Want to check it out? Let's do it. Got another one here. Seems to be boarded up pretty dang tight. Check out all those old school pop tops. Man, those have been here a while. We can't really get up there. That thing is loaded with metal. Look at this old school wooden car. This is crazy. This thing is straight up rickety. Well, that floor is total suspect. Wow. It's pretty amazing. I don't want to go walking through that floor. I'd hate to damage this thing. Definitely cool. Well, we weren't able to get into all of those, but what we did see was pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Social network links will be below, as well as Patreon if you want to help fund the adventures. And I'll see you on the next one, down the road, wherever it takes me, on the next aimless adventure.